What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to check your iPhone's call history after it has been deleted. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. If you enabled certain settings on your iPhone, then it's possible to preview your call history after it's deleted. To begin, open up your Settings app and in the search bar, search for iPhone. Tap on the phone settings and scroll down until you see the Call on Other Devices option under the Call section. Tap on it. Now, if you have other Apple devices and you enabled calling other devices over your Wi-Fi network and enabled some or all of your devices to receive the calls that come to your iPhone, you'll be able to see and check your call history on that Apple device. In case you haven't enabled this feature, you cannot check for your call history that has been deleted on your iPhone. However, there's no need to worry, as we still have one more method you can try to check your call history on your iPhone after it's been deleted. Open up your Settings app once again, but this time tap on your Apple ID at the top of your Settings menu. Here, tap on iCloud, and then under Device Backups, tap on iCloud Backup. If your iPhone's backup is enabled on your iCloud, you can preview the date your iPhone was last backed up. You have the option to restore all your data until the point it was last backed up. This means that you'll be able to get all of your contacts in the call history of your iPhone if you choose to restore your device to the previous point of the last backup. All the call history until the point when you conducted a complete backup will be visible on your iPhone's Phone Apps Recent section. If this feature is not enabled, then it's a bit harder to restore your device's call history. As a last resort, open up your mobile browser and head to your carrier's website. Here, you will have the option to retrieve your call history depending if this feature is enabled for you. In case you don't find the option anywhere on your carrier's site, you can contact them on their helpline number and proceed to let them know you request to see your call history. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.